Welcome to the Bahamas. Just the name conjures up images of paradise. Crystal clear turquoise waters gently lap against powdery white sand beaches. Palm trees sway in the gentle breeze. The air is warm and inviting. This is a place where you can truly escape and unwind. The Bahamas is a chain of 700 islands and cays sprinkled across the Atlantic Ocean, just southeast of Florida. Only about 30 of these islands are inhabited. This means there are plenty of secluded spots waiting to be discovered. Each island has its own unique personality. You'll find bustling cities, quiet fishing villages, and everything in between. Whether you're looking for an action-packed adventure or a relaxing getaway, the Bahamas has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the magic of the Bahamas. Let's start our journey in Nassau, the vibrant capital of the Bahamas. Located on the island of New Providence, Nassau is a fascinating blend of old-world charm and modern excitement. Stroll along Bay Street, the city's main thoroughfare. Here you'll find colorful colonial buildings, duty-free shops, and lively restaurants. Don't miss the iconic pink Parliament Square, home to the Bahamian government. History buffs will want to visit Fort Fincastle. Perched high on a hill, this 18th century fort offers breathtaking views of the city and harbour. Another must-see is the Pirates of Nassau Museum. Step back in time to the golden age of piracy and learn about the city's swashbuckling past. Of course, no trip to Nassau would be complete without experiencing its famous beaches. Cable Beach is a popular choice. It boasts miles of pristine sand and crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. While Nassau is certainly a must-see, the Bahamas has so much more to offer beyond its bustling capital. Let's venture out and explore some of the other islands, each with its own unique charm. The Exumas are a chain of 365 tiny islands and cays. They're known for their secluded beaches, sparkling turquoise waters, and abundant marine life. This is the place to go for world-class diving, snorkeling, and swimming with sharks and stingrays. One of the most popular attractions in the Exumas is the famous swimming pigs. These adorable creatures love to greet visitors and swim alongside them. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Just a short boat ride from Nassau lies Paradise Island. This glamorous island is home to the world-famous Atlantis Resort. Atlantis is a destination in itself. It features a massive water park, a casino, an aquarium, and even a replica of the lost city of Atlantis. The Bahamas is full of unique and unforgettable experiences. Here are a few that should be on every traveler's bucket list. Swim with the pig's head to Big Major Cay in the Exumas to meet the famous swimming pigs. These friendly creatures love to splash around in the water and pose for photos. Experience Junkanoo. Immerse yourself in Bahamian culture at the Junkanoo Festival. Held on Boxing Day and New Year's Day, this colourful parade features elaborate costumes, pulsating music, and energetic dancing. Explore Lucayan National Park. Discover the natural beauty of Grand Bahama Island at Lucayan National Park. This pristine park boasts underwater caves, mangrove swamps, and nature trails. Go bone fishing. The Bahamas is known as the bone fishing capital of the world. Cast a line in the shallow waters and try your luck at catching this prized fish. Relax on Pink Sands Beach. Head to Harbour Island to experience the beauty of Pink Sands Beach. Its sand gets its unique pink hue from tiny marine organisms. These are just a few of the many unforgettable experiences that await you in the Bahamas. Section 5. A taste of the Bahamas, culinary delights and local flavors. No trip to the Bahamas would be complete without sampling the local cuisine. Bahamian food is a delicious blend of Caribbean, African and British influences. Fresh seafood is a staple, of course, but there are plenty of other tasty dishes to try. Conch. This large sea snail is a Bahamian delicacy. Try it cracked, fried or in a salad. Fish fry, head to Arawak. Cay in Nassau for the best fish fry in town. Choose from a variety of freshly caught fish, grilled or fried to perfection. Guava duff. This sweet treat is a Bahamian classic. It's a steamed pudding made with guava and topped with a rum sauce. Quench your thirst with this refreshing Bahamian lemonade. It's made with limes, sugar and water. Be sure to wash your meal down with the Kalik, the local beer. Or try a rum cocktail. The Bahamas is famous for its rum. Section 6. Navigating Paradise. Essential travel tips for the Bahamas. Getting to the Bahamas is easy, with multiple international airports serving the islands. Once you're there, getting around is a breeze. Direct flights are available from major cities in North America, Europe, and South America. Most visitors to the Bahamas do not require a visa for stays of up to 90 days. However, it's always a good idea to check the latest visa requirements before you travel. The Bahamian dollar is the official currency. However, US dollars are widely accepted. Taxis are readily available in Nassau and Freeport. Water taxis are a fun way to get around the harbor. Rental cars are available on most islands. English is the official language of the Bahamas. Tipping is customary in the Bahamas. A 15% gratuity is standard at restaurants and bars. With a little planning, your trip to the Bahamas will be smooth sailing. Section 7. When to go basking in the Bahamian sun. The Bahamas enjoys warm, sunny weather year-round. However, the best time to visit is during the shoulder seasons, from April to May and September to October. During these months, the weather is still pleasant, but the crowds are smaller and the prices are lower. High season from December to April is the busiest and most expensive time to visit the Bahamas. The weather is at its best during these months. Expect sunny skies, warm temperatures, and low humidity. Shoulder season from April to May and September to October offers a good balance of good weather and fewer crowds. The prices are also more affordable during the shoulder seasons. Low season from June to August is the wettest and hottest time of year in the Bahamas. However, it's also the most affordable time to visit. Hurricane season runs from June 1st to November 30th. No matter when you decide to visit the Bahamas, you're sure to have an unforgettable time. Section 8. The Bahamas, a place for every traveler. The Bahamas truly has something to offer everyone, from families with young children to adventurous couples to solo travelers seeking relaxation. Kids will love swimming with the pigs, exploring the Atlantis resort, and building sandcastles on the beach. Couples can indulge in a romantic getaway at a luxurious overwater bungalow, enjoy candlelit dinners on the beach, and watch the sunset over the turquoise waters. Adventure seekers can dive into the underwater world with world-class snorkeling, scuba diving, and swimming with sharks. History buffs can explore the rich history of the Bahamas in Nassau, from colonial forts to pirate museums. Nature lovers can discover the natural beauty of the islands at Regalia National Park, the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park, and the many other national parks and reserves. No matter what your interests or travel style, you're sure to find your perfect vacation in the Bahamas. Section 9. Paradise Found. The Bahamian dream awaits. The Bahamas is more than just a vacation destination. It's a feeling. It's the gentle caress of the warm trade winds on your skin. It's the sound of the waves lapping against the shore. It's the taste of fresh conch salad and the sweet aroma of tropical flowers. The Bahamas is a place where you can escape the everyday and reconnect with yourself and your loved ones. It's a place where you can create memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Bahamian adventure today. Paradise awaits. Like, subscribe and share to the greatness. 19 channel and click in the description box below for products and services.